My name is Adel Shaar. I'm advisor to CEO of Artex Industrial Investment Company, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. And we have been visiting the first edition of this exhibition last year during the month of December. And we were really very interested in this exhibition. We have seen that a lot of companies were participating here, and we noticed that there were a lot of visitors also coming to the first edition. So we were eager also to come and participate to this second edition. I can judge that there are a lot of people, but I can also say that we have quality people more than we have quantity people. So it is more concentrated on quality people coming here to visit. They are coming with a scope, they are coming with a target. Okay, they know what they want, they are looking for new products, they are looking for continuity with existing suppliers. And we are very well known because we are also supplying all over the world our products in carpets, in rugs, in yarns, in primary, secondary backing. So also our company is very well known around the world, and we met most of our biggest clients that were visiting this exhibition. Our company is a vertically integrated company. That means we produce from raw material to finished product or related to carpets. Okay, so we produce the BCF, polypropylene and polyester yarns, twisted, heat-setted, frise, and we produce the primary backing, the secondary backing for tufting. So normally our raw material, part of them are going to our tufting and to our weaving departments. And some percentage is going into export. We have, beside the tufting and weaving, we have Axminster carpet. We have also blankets. We have also non-woven carpet. So we are diversified in our production and in our range. And we have some new projects that are under study, and hopefully they will be started to be realized in 2025. Saudi Arabia market has always been one of the biggest markets in consumption of carpets and rugs. Since more than 40 years, 50 years, this market has been known as a big consumer of carpets and rugs, okay? So our company is already established since around 40 years, 43 years. And we progressively expanded our production from rugs to wall-to-wall carpet to raw material related to that, just to serve mainly the local market. But also at the same time, with the expansion that we have made, with the investments that we have made, we were able also to do some export. We don't pretend to be covering the 100% market share, because we have also to say that also others have also market share inside Saudi Arabia. But we have the biggest governmental projects are of our share, like for example, the Mecca, Medina, Haram, the all governmental mosques in Saudi Arabia. They are of our carpet supply. And recently, that means in the last 2-3 years, we are also serving the Royal Palace and the projects related directly to the Royal Palace, because of the connections that we have and because of the product that are very well known since 40 years in the Saudi Arabian market. Flooring is a trend. Okay, this is a trend. That means the taste of the people change for the different qualities of carpet that we produce, and we have to adapt ourselves to the change in the taste of the people. okay, whether in qualities, whether in designs, whether in sizes, okay? So we are always following the trend of the change of taste in the market. As far as the carpet and rugs are involved, we have to say that we had a decrease in the people's consumption of carpet and rugs, especially with the introduction of hard flooring. Like, for example, in the beginning it was the parquet, then we went to the other products like the LVT, then SPC. Now there is a new product that is EVC. So, of course, the flooring is evolving in products. So, but we can always say that a carpet is always a traditional, classical product that most of the people are still using. Maybe in less quantities or in spaces less than before, but it is still requested. We are already in discussions since 3 years to develop properly a full, complete line of recycling, that whenever we receive a carpet, it will be recycled and separated according to the products that are inside the carpet. So this is with a European company that we are studying this project. We are at the last stages and details. And I think that in end of this year or beginning of 2026, we'll have this recycling line that will allow us to collect properly what are carpets, of course, of our production, that others, instead of dumping them in the desert or somewhere else, that we can take back and recycle them. It's already 3 years that we are studying this project. It's long because it's based on separation of the components of the carpet. The carpet is made of different components and you cannot recycle in one time, okay? Therefore, it's a machine that is going to separate the latex from the polypropylene, from the jute eventually, from the latex that is inside. So this machine will separate the different components of the carpet. Now, if you can see here downstairs the evolution of our company. It was called Saudi Carpet Factory. It has been changed into Al Abdul Latif Industrial Investment Company. And recently, just 3 months ago, it is becoming Artex, because our company is a joint stock market company. And therefore, the management of the stock market asked us to not to use anymore the family name, but to use, let's say, a more neutral professional name. And therefore, we just changed the name from Al Abdul Latif to Artex. Since already a couple of years, we started also according to the new regulations in Saudi Arabia to adapt ourselves to the new norms related to recycling, related to environmental protection and everything. So we are using in our production mostly recyclable products. The investment of Al Abdul Latif came through 40 years in developing different products, in establishing different factories, okay, up to vertically integrating into raw material, okay? So, of course, the entity to which we reached in Saudi Arabia is due to what is also the market volume. Okay, the market volume requested in Saudi Arabia makes ourselves one of the biggest Middle East carpet producers. Why other people didn't enter? It's not that there are no other small companies. There are small companies in a smaller entity. For example, they have maybe 2 machines, they have 4 machines. Okay, with respect to what we invested during 40 years, to reach to hundreds of machines in our company. So it is the market that is asking this expansion and the continuity. And of course, you should have always the will and the eagerness to expand, not to stop where you are. You have always to evolve with the changes in the market.